This is the RK-101VB or vacuum breaker repair kit. The package will come with the vacuum breaker cap, body, and float. It'll also come on the front of the package a little picture or like parts breakdown for it and how to install it. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. So you can see here, vacuum breaker cap, which is plastic. Vacuum breaker body, and a little float. Now on the float there should be this little red seal as well. And we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each of the parts in the kit. Starting with the cap, we'll get a diameter from the top. So measuring straight across, it measures right at about 1.25 inches. And the vacuum breaker body, measuring right at about 1 inch across the top, and on the bottom measuring right at about 3/4 inch, with a total height of right about 3/4 inch as well. Now we'll see if we can try to get a measurement of the float here. You can see the float, it's kind of hard to measure, but it's right above 1/2 inch. Yeah, once again, this is the RK-101VB vacuum breaker repair kit.